Hello everyone. Yeah, this is Asif Mulani from India, from AM Woodworking Consultant. I came here at Blue Elephant, Jinan to have a collaboration with them. So I have visited their factory premises. I have seen their capacity. I have seen their production capacity. Everything seems to be aligned in space. They have a good production facility with good numbers of machines they are manufacturing. The built-in quality of the machines and the process what they use is also very good, and probably I'm just trying to have a good association with them in near future, and I hope I can be associated with them as a Indian representative, and wishing them a best of luck and hoping for the better future. Thank you very much.